Cast on with your cable needles. Any cast on will do. Okay, so next we're going to make sure that we don't twist. So this is what it looks like when it gets twisted around. And if we join, we're going to have a twisted join. So we don't want to do that. We want to make sure they're all straight and even when we join so that they are all lined up. Join to work in the round. I am going to join by knitting the first stitch. Just keep knitting around in each stitch. I'll do a purl, then a knit, and I'll just do a knit one, purl one, rib around, and then I will show you when we get to the end what it looks like. Okay, I'm at the end here of the first round, so I am doing the last couple stitches here to show you. Knit, purl, and here's my last stitch, my purl sliding off, and I am joined to my first stitch, my knit here. So I am just going to keep knitting in the round, and if I'm knitting ribbing like this, I'll just knit this one and purl and continue again, never stopping. So it's easy for the tail to mark your beginning, and you can see there's a little difference here. So when I'm done, I'll just take my yarn needle and weave it in there to join that. Okay, since we have to weave our tail in anyway, we will do it and also join that first and last stitch from our little join in the round to make it a little bit more seamless.